Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about a very common problem faced by every English learner. And the problem is like this. I read in English, I write in English, I listen in English and I understand every single words in English, but when it comes to speak, so I can't speak in English. The words does not come in my mind and I feel like I will make different kind of mistakes. So because of this hesitation, I can't speak in English. I am not able to speak in English. So this is a very common problem faced by every English learner. Yes, initially time I was also facing this type of problem and now I got rid of this type of problem. So how did I get rid of this type of problem? So in today's video I'm going to share with you some solution, and yes, also I'm going to give you some reason why you can't speak in English. So first, in the beginning in this video, the first part we are going to discuss about some reason why you can't speak in English, and after that we will discuss about some solution. Because every time thinking about the problem, it's not going to help you, but solving the problem, it's going to help you. Okay, so first we recognize all different type of reason behind this problem, and after that we will discuss about this problem. We will discuss about some solution. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so beginning in this video, we will discuss about some reason why it is happen. So very first thing is that we generally think about others. We don't think about ourselves. We don't think about what is our priority. We think about, if I speak in English, if I is wrong in English, so people will laugh at me. We generally think others' behavior, what they will do. We are not thinking about what I want to do. Okay, so this is the main reason behind your problem. This is the main reason. So now you have to get rid of this type of problem, because this is your responsibility, this is your choice. So that's why this is your responsibility. Now you have to fulfill of your desire that you have made in your mind. I want to speak in English, so it's your responsibility to fulfill your desire. No one will come and fulfill your desire. You have to fulfill your desire by yourself, by giving your efforts. Okay, now let's talk about second reason behind this problem. So the very second reason is that there are many people, if they want to speak in English, so they start learning vocabulary, they start learning some phrases, they start learning some high sounding sophisticated words. Okay, and what happened after some times, when it's needs, when it's desire, when somebody asks some question in front of that pupil, so he hesitate. Okay, so he think, okay, it's very difficult language and I have been learning this language so many times and still I can't speak in English in front of the public, so I can't pull this journey anymore. And then he gave up. He or she gave up. Okay, so this is the second reason behind this problem. Now we have to start this language with our day-to-day life basis sentences, not the vocabulary. Okay, because okay, we will discuss about in the second part. Now let's talk about another reason. So the another reason is that there are some people, they thought that I am living in a village area and yes, there is no one who can understand in English. So why I do so much practice in English? Why will I put so much effort in English? Okay, but my dear friend, It's a globalization time. It's a era when where we are living. There is no boundaries. There is no boundaries about village or cities, because we are watching so much videos and so much talent. All the talent will comes from village. So it is not the proper reason. Okay, it is only the excuse, because you don't want to give your effort in learning this language. So that's why you are making this excuse that, ma'am, I am living in a village area and I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium or other medium school, so that's why I can't able to speak in English, but I understand in English because I have read in English in a school subject, so I can understand in English. But my friend, dear friend, your desire is to speak in English, so you have to speak in English. Okay, without speaking you can't achieve your goal. So yes, there are 3 or 4 reasons that I have shared with you in this video. Now let's talk about some solution, because solution is the thing that will work on your speaking terms. Only thinking about the solution, it's not going to work. Okay, so let's talk about very first solution. So the very first solution is that try to speak in English from the day first. From the day first. I know it's very difficult because you are learning this language, and how can you speak in English from the day first? Yes, you can speak in English from the day first with some short sentences, with some daily uses short sentences, because we know all the sentences, we know everything in English, but our problem is speaking. So we have to do practice in speaking terms in daily basis. Okay, because our mouth muscles and jaw muscles have not practiced in speaking in English, so we have to start practice in English speaking terms. Speak in English start your English with daily sentences. Okay, I wake up early in the morning, then I wash my face, I brush my teeth, then I freshen up. In this way you can start your daily English speaking practice, because all the words, all the sentences related to your daily routine, related to your work, related to your things that you notice surrounds you. Okay, so don't learn so how sounding sophisticated word. Start your English with simple and easy sentences, because sentences will help you to speak in English. Sentences will help you to enhance your vocabulary. Once if you learn one sentence in your daily basis, okay, depend in your practice, depend in your daily life, so you will learn 4 vocabulary in one sentence, minimum 4 or 5 vocabulary. Okay, so this is the first solution that you have to work on it. Now let's talk about second solution. So the second solution is that think about yourself. Why are you thinking about others' behavior? If I will speak in English, so they will laugh at my English. Expose yourself. More you expose, so better you become. Expose yourself in reading in English. Expose yourself listening in English. Expose yourself writing in English. And yes, expose yourself speaking in English. Without exposing, without showing your courage, you can't achieve your goal, because it needs your courage, it needs your effort. Without showing your courage, you can't get confidence in English, because it's a skill, and every skill want to show your courage. Let's talk about another skill. So if just like I am sharing my experience when I try to learn how to drive a car. Okay, initially time I was very nervous, and every time when I sleeping at night, so I am dreaming. I was dreaming in my mind. Okay, when I drive a car, and when I am driving car and someone comes in front of my car, so how did I do, how will I do? I just put my leg into the brake, and then I will stop my car. every time I was, when I was sleeping, when I was doing any work, so I was thinking only one thing: how to drive a car, how to push my leg on brake when suddenly someone comes in front of my car. Okay, and yes, initially time I started driving very slowly, but I never give up, and I do practice minimum 3 or 4 months. Now I can say that okay, I am perfect in driving, because I drive in a crowd area, very crowd area, in a market. So I can say okay, I can drive very well. Now I don't try to think in my mind, or if somebody come then I will push my brake. Okay, because it, my information convert into the skill. So this is the same way, this is the same principle you have to apply on your speaking terms. Okay, initially time it's happen, it's feel very scared, it's feel very difficult. Okay, when I speak in English, so someone will laugh at my English. Okay, let them laugh, don't worry about. Okay, because it's your desire, it's your choice that you have made in your mind. So why are you thinking others? Because others will always give you a comment whatever you do. So don't worry about others behavior, others taunting. Think about yourself, think about your own desire. Okay, so this is the second solution. Now let's talk about another solution that is very important, and that is very important. Immerse yourself into the English totally. Make your surroundings in English. Whatever you read, try to read in English. Whatever you listen, try to listen in English. Whatever you write, try to write in English. You can change your WhatsApp or any where you need to require to write something, try to write in English. Try to read in English. If you will, if you read a newspaper every day, then try to read newspaper in English. If you listen a movie, try to use some subtitle. Try to listen that movie or that website, that web series in English. Immerse yourself in English everywhere, because reading, listening, writing, speaking, these are 4 aspects. If you work on 4 aspects, then you can easily be master in English. And yes, you have to show your courage, you have to be consistent in English practice, you have to consistent yourself, you have to discipline yourself. Yes, there may be some time when you feel it's very difficult, when you feel I gave up. Yes, there may be some time, but you must do practice each and every day. Don't try to give up, don't try to break your consistency, because with the help of this determination, with discipline or consistency, with the help of this quality, you can easily achieve your goal. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.